take a square paper of 15 centimeter versus 15 centimeter. Okay, what we have to do, first fold like this. Yes, then unfold it, then take this point and put along this line and make sure this line is straight, and then fold along this side. Okay, now go to the opposite side and fold along this line. What we have to do, take this point and align this line, then fold here, then you have to cut along this line. Okay, take a scale and then cut it. Okay, we need this portion and dimension is 1:√3. 1:√3. Okay, now you have to fold along this line. Okay, unfold it, then you have to fold along this line, unfold it and fold along this side. Now you have to fold along this line, okay, unfold it and go to the opposite side and do the same thing, fold along this line. Okay, now unfold it and take this point and match in this point. Okay, now go to the opposite side and you have to put this portion along this side. Okay, okay, done. Then go to the opposite side and you have to put this portion into this side. Okay, now put it here. Okay, I have done and one unit is ready. You have to do another 5 unit, total 6 unit of 2 different color. Okay, this is 1 unit 2 and 3. Now another 3 color, another 3 unit of different color. Okay, ready, total 6 unit. And what you have to do, take 1 unit and another unit of opposite color and put this portion to this side and this portion to this side. Okay, now make sure that these two liners are aligned. Okay, we are assembled 2 units. Now I'm going to put another unit of opposite color, and this side, this portion is going to the this side and this is going to the this side. Okay, now and here it will be the same thing, these two lines will be aligned and do the same thing. Now you have to put this side along this portion and this side along this point. Okay, now my origami is ready.